Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, I got something good and easy for y'all today. As you see by the preview picture and the title, old school pineapple cake, but it's gonna be an easy style. We dumping everything in the bowl, mix it together about 2 or 3 minutes here. Put it in a pan, a good old reliable 9x13. Put it in the pan. We're gonna make some cream cheese icing. Put on that spread on top. Voila, you got an easy, quick dessert. It's perfect for midweek, Sunday, after church dessert. You can put this together in the oven in no time. Let me tell you what we got here. Got a couple of eggs, sugar, all-purpose flour, baking soda, crushed pineapple. Do not drain it because you need that liquid because there's no milk in here. The only liquid you got is the eggs and the pineapple, vanilla, and baking powder. Did I say it already? Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. We back. Okay, y'all. Like I was saying, we got I had my oil sitting over there to the back. Eggs, pineapple juice, baking powder. Baking soda. Let me go and put my baking soda in there with that. Vanilla. Put a little creme brulee in there. And that's it, y'all. What we're gonna do, we're gonna dump everything in the mixing bowl. You can use a hand mixer if you want to, y'all. Being semi-fancy here. We kind of mix that up just a little. I like to kind of mix my dry ingredients together first there. And y'all see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, now we're just gonna dump everything in here together. The eggs. Vanilla, oil, a little creme brulee here, and the pineapple. There we go. We're gonna dump all that in there together. Mix it up as so. How easy is this, y'all? Mix it up really good till it's smooth. Don't want to over mix it. You know me, I'm very adamant about not over mixing your batter there. Okay. Take this bad boy out. And scrape everything down, make sure everything's mixed. How easy is this, y'all, huh? How easy is this? We're gonna pour it in our little pan here. It's probably what, 9x13. Y'all, let me get all this out of here, y'all. Get all this out of here. Alrighty. 350 degrees, y'all, about 20-25 minutes, and we'll be back to make that cream cheese icing. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. Y'all know how this go. I'm gonna put a cream cheese icing on here. You know you made this before, probably. You're gonna cream the butter and the cheese together. Make sure it's room temperature. Then we're gonna add our pile of sugar and vanilla and a little milk. And that's that. How easy is that, right? Let me scrape this down here. Alrighty. Alright, we're going to add our pound of sugar to this. A little vanilla. And then we're going to add a little milk as needed, y'all. Just a little at a time. If you add too much, as you know, it's going to be watery. You don't want it too watery. Break this down here. see if I got it too watery. Let's see here. Man, a little bit more powdered sugar to this, y'all. Just a little. Oh yeah, that's just how I want it, just like that. Hold on, I take this over here. I'm gonna show y'all here. That's just what I want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off because it's gonna spread on the cake when it's kind of semi-warm, not warm, but not completely cool. And then we'll let the cake set up and pretty much cool completely. And then we'll cut it. Look at that. That's where I want it, just like that. So anyway, y'all, we shall be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Cake is out the oven. Beautiful cake. Now look, they're gonna say, oh, that's a little dark. Reason this cake look like this, because you remember I threw the pineapple in there. So you got all that pineapple in. Just like cooking a pineapple upside down cake. Same concept. And that's why the cake is going to be a little browner. So don't freak out when you see your cake browning and you think it's burning up. No, that's all right. Because you know why? We're going to cover it with that nice frosting over here. And I'm going to garnish it with little pineapple chunks right there. And this cake, like I say, it's so easy. And it's so moist because you got all that, you got oil in there, of course. The pineapple in there. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So you got to just trust me on this one. So anyway, I'm going to let this cool about a half an hour or so. We're going to spread this nice frosting on there. We're going to come back. And we're going to cut this bad boy up. And I got to prove to y'all how good and easy this pineapple cake is. Old school pineapple cake, the easy way. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. All right, y'all. We're going to put this frosting on here, y'all. Get rid of this pan. It's kind of cooled enough. Give me a little spoon here. Spatula here. Again, kind of throw it on there, y'all. We're gonna put all this bad boy on there. And all this on there, y'all. Like this. Okay. Now all we're gonna do is just spread it just like so. Right in the pan, y'all. How easy is that, huh? How easy is this? There we go. That's the easiest cake to make, right? One you can just spread around right in the pan. Don't get much easier than that. Go. Alrighty. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna we're gonna put a little, I'm gonna sprinkle a little pineapple on top, y'all, so people know what it is. Just like that. Make it a little pretty there. Okay, I'm gonna step off here, clean up a little here. We're gonna come back, we're gonna cut this bad boy up. And gotta prove to y'all how good it is. Old school pineapple cake, the easy way. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this, y'all. And remember, this is a sheet cake, so it's gonna be like a thinner cake. Look at that, y'all. But it's so moist with this pineapples actually folded into the batter. Of course, you got vegetable oil instead of butter. It's always gonna be a moisture cake. And it's so easy. Let me get into this. We got that cream cheese frosting on there. Look at that, y'all. focus. Look how moist that is. They got pineapples all through there. Oh man, it's gonna be a good bite. Go in there. Oh Lord. This is so moist, y'all. If you like pineapple, who doesn't like pineapples? Somebody on here, I hate pineapples. Can you do it? Okay, that's just you. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. See them pineapples all in there. This is so good. And so easy. I did it with my stand mixer, but you definitely can do it a hand mixer as well. And like I say, it took me how long to mix this thing? 5 minutes. Put it together. Make the frosting. If you don't want to frost, you just eat it without the frosting. It doesn't matter. Very simple, very easy. So anyway, another easy dessert for y'all to, and like I said, I like y'all to get your kids involved in the kitchen. Get them off them computers. Get them off them video games. And get them to start cooking in the kitchen with y'all. Some simple, easy recipes. They don't pretty much get burnt or nothing like that. I'm going to start doing a lot of them in the fall now that summer's over. We can get these kids out these video games and get them in here and get in the kitchen and start cooking with y'all. So that's what my mom did me. And look where I am now. Anyway, let's close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow our social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.